Now look at this video, friends.
Frustrated by scattered spreadsheets and missed follow-ups? Zoho CRM fixes that. It gives you one single source of truth, plus automated workflows that boost productivity by 27%. Sell and scale efficiently. Book a demo today.
This video you just watched is made by a single sales representative. No video, no editor, no scriptwriter, no production team. He just typed a prompt and this is what came out. Here is a question I want to ask every sales leader watching this. When your sales rep is preparing to reach out to high value prospects, how are they doing it? Probably an email, maybe a LinkedIn message, and if they are putting in real effort, maybe a Loom recording. And if they are really ambitious, maybe they sit down and try to create an actual video. And that's where things fall apart. Because creating a polished sales video from scratch is not a simple task. Think about what's involved. You need a script that doesn't sound like a script, that takes time, multiple drafts, usually involves someone else reviewing it. Secondly, you need to think about the storyboard, what goes on the screen, in what order, for how long. Most sales reps have never storyboarded anything in their lives. Thirdly, you need to record it, and the lighting is wrong, and the background is messy, and the audio has a hum. Fourthly, you need to edit it. Even basic cuts and captions take an hour if you don't know what you are doing. And fifth, by the time it's done, the prospect has already moved on, or worse, your competitor got there first. So what happens in most sales teams? They don't make the video, they send the email instead, and the email gets ignored. Now here is what I want to show you, because this problem, the entire chain of friction from I need to make a video to the video is done and ready to send, that entire chain has been solved, and it was solved by a single prompt. This is ngram. It's an AI video platform built specifically for creating short, polished, professional videos, and it's built for exactly the use case we just described. Here is how it works. You sign up first, sign in using your credentials, and then once you sign in, you are presented with this particular page where you can either provide your own prompt here in this section, and it will start creating a script, storyboard, as well as the video related to that sales enablement video, or you can select any of these video types. So let us say if I select the sales enablement, then here you can provide a topic or URL as well as any additional information or special instructions here in the optional section. You can also add your own customizations, such as you can add your own watermark, background music of your choice, target audience, or you can even select the subtitles, right? And here at the top you can see this drop down where you can select the length of the video, whether it's going to be 15 second, 30 second, or 1 minute, and then the platform of your choice. For my use case, I will try to provide my own prompt because that gives you more flexibility what all you want to include in your video. So I will provide my own prompt here to generate a sales related or sales enablement related video that any specific company can create for its customers. So let me press back button. Let's say you are a company like Hungerbox, which provides cafeteria services for offices, hospitals, colleges, and factories. Now, their sales department wants to reach out to these offices, hospitals, and colleges so that they can create the sales enablement video using ngram. So now let me show you how can we generate such a sales enablement video. I'm using a similar type of company with the hypothetical name as Appetite Box. So here is my prompt. Create a 30-second sales outreach video for Appetite Box, which is a company that provides cafeteria services for offices, colleges, and hospital. Audience is an operations director at a mid-size B2B company offices who is frustrated with cafeteria operations and wants to streamline the cafeteria operations of all offices of this company. Show them how Appetite Box gives their team a single place to track every food inventory, meal production, meal distribution, daily food wastage, daily sales, and every next step. Tone would be confident, direct, and human, like a trusted colleague, not an ad. And end with a clear call to action to book a demo. So this is a clear cut prompt that we want to give it to it. And that's it. One paragraph, no script, no storyboard, no creative brief, just a description of what I want the video to do. So press submit, and ngram takes that prompt and does three things automatically. Number one, it writes the script, structured, benefit led, tuned to your audience and your tone. Once that is done, then it will move on to creating this storyboard here. So as you can see, it has created a script here on the right hand side, and now I will click on this looks good, build the video. So now it has moved on to the next step, which is storyboard. So it builds the storyboard, a scene by scene visual plan showing exactly what appears on your screen, in what order, for how long. You can review it and redirect before anything is rendered. So let's wait. So now you can see that it has created different scenes, like number one, the problem, number two, second scene is solution, third scene is feature, and fourth scene is benefit, and then fifth scene is CTA. Since everything looks great to me, so I will say looks great, animate the video, post which it will move on to this step number 3 video. And on the left hand side you can see that it has started animating scene number 1, scene number 2, scene number 3, 4 and 5, as well as generating the background music by itself. And few minutes later you can see that it has came up with a message, your appetite box video is ready, all 5 scenes are animated with background music, check the preview. So let me download it so that I can show you it in the full screen.
Putting out daily fires. But without a single view, it usually does. That's where Appetite Box comes in. It gives you one centralized dashboard for every food inventory, meal production, meal distribution, daily wastage, daily sales, and next step, all in one place. Stop wrestling with fragmented spreadsheets. Let's streamline your operation. Book a quick demo below to see it in action.
And if in case you want to make certain edits to this video, you can click on this open in editor. And you will find here different options, like if you want to add any text, so you can just add the text here, or if in case you want to add any elements, any effects, maybe music, you can add all those sort of things. So if you run a sales team, this is for you. If this was useful, hit like, subscribe to the AI University for more walkthroughs of AI tools that actually changes how sales team and businesses teams work. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.